Now, young people have been urged to seize opportunities in manufacturing as Kenya records a steady influx of new investors setting up industries every week. Principal Secretary for Trade and Investment, Dr. Juma Mukhwana, says the country is witnessing strong investor confidence with at least 3 or more new investors establishing factories weekly.
Speaking to students at Kenyatta University, Principal Secretary for Trade and Investment Dr. Juma Mukhwana encouraged the youth to venture into manufacturing, describing the sector as highly competitive and full of opportunity.
We are seeing and we are encouraging young people, especially Kenyans, to move into the manufacturing space because that is where opportunity is. Add value to macadamia, add value to avocado, add value to milk, to tea, to different things, because that is where the future is.
Industry player called for policy reform to sustain the momentum. They said easing regulatory constraints will restore sanity in the industry, boost competitiveness and guarantee more jobs for young people, aligning with the government push for industry growth and youth empowerment.
We require government support to ensure that we push Kenya to the best way possible, because Kenya has natural resources, Kenya has ideas, Kenya has best student, has best company, and when government support us the way you have seen them sometime doing, I'm telling you in the next 10 years, 5 years, Kenya will not only be a nation, it will be a place where people will be coming to learn from and will be exporting a lot of knowledge worldwide.
Felix Q for Lunchtime News.